So, yeah, I riveted this hasp on here and got it ready to go. I marked the back part of the helmet. But while I was at it, I'm making this push button release system here. So I got a rivet on this push button here. Just gonna push that in out of the way. Got to do that. Then, what's that? I get this thing together. I'm just temporarily bolting it on and off while I work on it. I got to rivet that turnkey, which I ground down in the middle here. So this will go over top of that. Like this. Sort of like that. Anyway, you kind of get it. So I gotta rivet this on, but it's got to pivot. It's got to be able to turn like that. So I gotta rivet that loosely on there. Yeah, let's go like that. So that's the stage I'm at right now.